In this video, I'm going to talk you through the simple steps to pouring a beautiful tulip just like this. Alright, so let's get stuck straight into it and get our coffee on. Of course, we need to make sure that we've got some great coffee beans. Something like Artisti's Champion blend that we're using today is going to make sure that you're getting a great extraction to pour your latte out through. So if you don't have a good shot, it's always going to be a little bit more challenging for you. So we want to get that on. Now today, I'm going to split this shot into two 190ml cups. These are an Acme & Co cup. They're beautiful to pour into. A nice bowl shaped cup is always going to help you get good flow and movement through the cup. So just get a shot on there. Lovely. Now let's spin our milk. We're making a mess. Now, we have lots of videos on extractions, other videos, masterclasses on spinning milk, so I won't go into it too much today, but we do need to make sure that we have a good amount of froth in there to work with. And I'm going to get both of my milks out of this. Now, while I'm at it, I will give a shout out to Designer Living Kitchens. We are currently shooting in their beautiful showroom here on the Coast Coast. So thanks to them. If you're ever on the coast and need a new kitchen fit out, be sure to get in touch with the team. So very grateful from them. Lovely. All right, so got your shot, got your milk textured. Now, what we're aiming to do, what's going to help spin that shot, we want to spend half the cup blending the coffee and milk so you have a canvas to pour onto. Then we're focusing on the tip of our jug, falling at about a third, closer to your jug, doing a blob and pushing it up. Now I'm going to aim for about 5 on this one. So here is our mix of coffee and milk. I'm going to drop down the bottom, blob and push up. Blob and push up. 3, 4, 5, and lift and pull through. So there's our 5. Now if you add a little wiggle, you do add some extra shapes in there. So again, break up the crema, make sure your milk is spun and ready for you to pour. Now let's see how many we get in here. But again, angle the cup, get a good mix of coffee and milk. Blob and push up, blob and push up. Blob and push up. So you can stack as many as you can in there. Then when you're ready, lift and pull through. And that is a simple tulip pattern that you can practice. So the main things that you're focusing on is getting that cup half full with coffee and milk so you have a canvas to pour into. So when you're ready for that froth to come out, you can stop, dive back in, closer to the left so that when you do that blob, you push it up, pull out, drop again, and push up, and you're continuing to do that. Now you can stack as many as you like in there, practice your milk, practice your pour, and get them in there. We'd love to see how your tulips are progressing. If you tag us on Instagram or let us know how they're going in the comments below. If you need any further help, there is other videos on rosettas and how to texture your milk better so you can do this even better. Put your comments in below. We're happy to answer them, or the community will. Do us a favor, like the video, hit the bell icon and the subscribe button so you can watch all of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you next time.